Okay, so the first thing I'd like you to do is to take each of these basic functions and sketch what they look like. So x squared, anchored at the origin, coming up through 1, 1, and negative 1, 1, like that. X cubed, also coming through the origin, and 1, 1, and negative 1, negative 1, looking like this. Absolute value of x coming through the origin, and 1, 1, and negative 1, 1, with straight sides. Square root of x coming through the origin, and 1, 1, and 4, 2, like this. Cube root of x coming through the origin, and 1, 1, and negative 1, negative 1. And the next one would be 8, 2. So it's going sort of this way. So those are our basic graphs. Now we're going to make sketches using our basic graphs. So based on the transformations here, I put this in the wrong place. Okay, so let's start again. Okay, with x plus 3 means left 3. Negative outside the function, so after the squaring has occurred, means reflection over the x-axis. Squared means it's the shape of parabola. So it's an upside down parabola that went left 3. This is plus 2 in the vertical shift spot, so it went up 2. Negative with x, which means it reflects left to right. It's the graph of x cubed, which normally would go down and up. So this up part is going to be over here on the left, and the down part is going to be over here on the right. Okay. With x, it's going to move right 4. After the function, it's going to move up 2. And it's going to be our absolute value graph. So it's going to be this. Okay. Left 1, up 5. Oops, I'm drawing right on myself. And x cubed is that way. Or cube root of x, pardon, goes that way. Okay, so we have up 4. What's this? Negative with x, meaning it reflects left to right rather than up and down. So instead of going this way to the right, it's going this way to the left. Okay. With x, so left 4, negative after the function has occurred, which means the reflection is top to bottom. So instead of being up, this one is down. For these, the graph is drawn, and we're supposed to write the equation. So I know based on the shape but it's x squared. It's upside down. It's reflected. So there's a negative in front of everything. It went 1, 2, to the right 2, so x minus 2 squared. That gives me parabola. It moved 1, 2, up 3, plus 3. This is x cubed. I didn't do anything to it. I wonder why. That's so sad. We can do something to it. Let's do this to it. Okay. So it's still x cubed, but now it went 1, 2, 3 to the left and up 1. Okay, 3 to the left, maybe x plus 3, and up 1, maybe plus 1. Okay, this is the v of absolute value, but it's wider. Okay, and up 2. So f of x equals the absolute value of, and I didn't go side to side at all, so absolute value of x plus 2, because it moved up 2, and wider, right? And with absolute value, it's easy to tell, because instead of going over 1, up 1, yeah, to 1, 1, it went to 1, 1/2, so it actually went up 1/2. You can also do it with absolute value, unlike some of the others. With absolute value, you can do it like slope. It went up 1 and over 2, up 1 and over 2. This is the square root of x, but it's going to the left, so it is the square root of negative x. But it moved to the right 2, so I'm going to do this. Minus 2. Like this. So it went right 2 and then drew the other way. This is the cube root of x. It moved right 2, so minus 2 under the cube root, and it moved 1, 2, down 3. Okay, so hopefully that gave you enough practice and that you could stop it here and there and try for yourself.